Discuss if check n to the power m is end with 0 or not. For this we can write all prime factors of n. If in the prime factors of n only 2 and 5 both comes, then it end with 0, otherwise not. For example, we discuss here 6 to the power 97. Then what you can do? Prime factorization of 6. In the 6, 2 into 3. Here 2 and 3. That's why it is never end with 0. In the same 120 to the power 10,078. Then what we can do? We can write prime factors of the 120. In the same, in the prime factors of 120, you can write 2 into 2 into first of all, you can roughly on prime factors like 120, it is 60, it is 30, it is 15. Now 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. In prime factors of 120 comes 2 and 5 both, that it end with 0. Clear? It end with 0 because here 2 and 5 both comes. Clear? 2 and 5 both comes, that's why it end with 0. Is that clear? And see, in prime factors of n, 2 and 5 both comes. Here 2 and 5 both comes, that's why it end with 0. Suppose, like see, 120 into 120 into 120 into 120 in infinite time, then see only 0 ones place are multiplied, then it end with 0. Is that clear? Then after we can discuss prime factorization of tree method. Write the factors in prime factorization with tree method. Suppose express prime factorization with tree method. Sometime it will be asked in the question paper, maybe. Suppose you have 240 is a number and you represent it in the form of tree method, prime factors in the tree method. Then first of all you can do unrough. Here unrough 240, then it is 120 here, then here it is 2 into 120. Is that clear? In the same way, 2 is the prime number, that's why it has unique factor. In the same 120, 2 into 60, 2 is the prime number and 60 is the composite number, then 60 are written 2 into 30, 2 is the prime number and 30 is the composite number. In the same 2 into 15, here 2 is the prime number and 15 is the composite number. In the same way it is 3 and 5. In this step 3 and 5 both are the composite prime number, that's why it's represent on the tree method, like 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. It is 240 or 240 2 to the power 4 into 3 into 5. Clear? Then after we can discuss, already discuss the HCF. If you have any doubt, then see one more question. Suppose it is 1620 is a number and we express in their prime factor with the help of tree method. Clear? With the help of tree method. Then first of all, on the rough sheet, you already know, here we can do the rough. 1620, first it is divided by 2 because the last digit is 0, then 2 8s are 16 and clear, here already 0, then it is 405, it is not divided by 2, it is divided by 3 because 4 plus 5 is 3, then 3 1s are 3, 1, 10, 3 3s are 9, 5, 3, 5 are 15, again 5, 3, 8 or 1, 9, then it is also divided by 3, 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15, again it is divided by 3, it is divided by, and now it is finally divided by 5. Then each and every steps are written in the tree method. Here 1620 2 8 into 10 810 and here 2 is the prime number. In the same 2 405, here 2 is the prime and 405 is the composite. Then it is 3 and it is 135. In the same way, it is 3 into 45. Here 45 is the composite number. In the same way, it is 3 and 15. 3 is the prime and this 15 is the composite number. Then 15 then in each the branches of the tree like 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, each are the prime numbers. Then 1620 is written 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Clear? Then it is written 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4 into 5. This is called the fundamental theorem of arithmetics. Clear? Is that clear? You can complete it from a book and exercise. If you have any doubt, then you ask me telephonically or WhatsApp number. Okay? Is that clear? Thank you.